In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Whop payments. We'll be walking through the process of adding a payment method to your Whop account so you can make sure your billing setup is ready to go. This is a simple process, but it's important to enter everything carefully, especially when you get to your payment information. To begin, go to Whop and make sure you're signed into the correct account. If you manage more than one account, take a moment to confirm you're in the one where you want to set up payments. Starting from the correct profile will help you avoid making changes in the wrong place. Once you're on Whop, move to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile. This will open the account menu where you can access your personal settings and billing related options. If you don't immediately see what you need, just look for the menu attached to your profile image or account icon. From there, click the settings icon. This is where Whop keeps the main account configuration options, including payment and billing settings. Entering the settings area is the key step that takes you from general account access into the section where you can actually manage how payments are handled. Inside settings, click on payment method. This will take you to the billing management area where you can review any existing payment methods and add a new one if needed. If this is your first time setting up payments, this section may be empty, and that's completely normal. Next, click on Add Payment Method. This opens the form where you'll connect your preferred payment option. Take your time here and make sure you're choosing the correct method for your needs. A good tip is to have your banking information ready before you start, so you can complete the setup in one go without interruptions. Finally, enter your bank details. Be careful to type everything exactly as it appears on your banking information. Even small errors can cause payment issues later, so it's worth double checking the details before submitting. If Whop asks for any verification information, follow the prompts on screen and complete each field carefully. Once everything is entered, your payment method setup should be ready. After saving, it's a good idea to review the payment section one more time to confirm the new method appears correctly. That's it for setting up Whop payments. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to complete the process quickly and confidently.